What if you could hydraulically set and squeeze a cement retainer in one trip in any environment? Since its introduction in 1998, the Alpha Oil Tools FH setting tool has been doing just that. Because its fully hydraulic design eliminates the need to rotate pipe during the setting process, it is the best choice for one-trip applications in highly deviated wellbore environments, as well as any coiled tubing application. Simply run the tool to the predetermined setting depth and launch the setting ball. Here's how it works. The ball lands on the ball seat, which diverts the well fluid into the hydraulic setting chambers. Once the retainer is set, that pressure is held for 5 minutes to allow the cement retainer packing system to conform to the tubing ID. Pressure is then increased, shearing the shear screws that connect to the cement retainer. This completes the set and disconnects the FH setting tool from the cement retainer. The FH setting tool continues to stroke, and at the end of its stroke, it unlocks the ball seat, positioning an undercut over the ball seat locks. These locks are tapered so they cannot obstruct the cement flow path. Note that the ball seat cannot be shifted until the setting tool completes its stroke. The ball seat is now free to move downward, close circulation ports, and latch into the tandem sub. If reverse circulation is necessary, the ball seat latch keeps the ball seat from moving upward, as well as maintaining flow area through the tool. The stinger remains pinned to the cement retainer body, unaffected by the setting force. After the squeeze operation is completed, apply overpull to shear out and remove stinger from cement retainer, and if desired, spot additional cement above the retainer. The FH setting tool from Alpha Oil Tools, a leader in USA-made downhole tools.